right? When you think of jewelry, you think of precious metals like silver and your gold. But now my guest is creating beautiful jewelry with fabric. Zhane Padmore is the owner and creative director behind Cultured by Zhane. And we welcome you to Smile Now. Good morning. Good to have you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being here. I want to ask you what you do, but I really think based on what I've read, I should ask you what you don't do.
Yeah, it's a plethora of things.
Mercy. So degrees in management and entrepreneurship.
Yes.
But you're a fashion enthusiast.
Yes.
You are a dancer. You are a marketer. You are a pageant queen.
Yes.
Thanks for joining us. What the show is done. I mean, you do it all.
Yes, I do.
Where is this? This is an obvious, clear zest for life.
Yes,
Where is this
definitely.
coming? Barbados, born.
Yes. Yes.
So tell me a little bit about that journey and what led you here to Jamaica.
Yeah, okay, so as you mentioned, I'm all of these things, and really and truly, my passion for life is just to do everything that I can with the best potential that I can. So I am a dancer, and luckily with this brand, I was able to amalgamate all of that. So my love for marketing and branding, my love for passion, my passion for fashion, as well as bright, vibrant colors. So that's what you see here.
So where did the passion for fashion start?
I would say it started in my teenage years when I was introduced to pageantry. I was always a dancer, so when I was at my high school, they asked me to be a part of their pageant. And I was like, okay, fine, you know, I have a talent already, let me figure everything else out. And I did that, and I didn't win. However, I was given an opportunity to represent Barbados at another pageant. And then I was like, okay, and I won that pageant. So I was like, okay. Maybe I'm onto something.
This can work.
So then I, you know, working with a lot of designers and really seeing the space and you know, having respect for the art and modeling for them, I gained an appreciation for fashion. And then I was just like, you know, I don't want to compete with the designers. I want to complement them.
Love.
So a lot of them were doing resort wear and, you know, nice, simple clothing, but I wanted something with a twist. And that's where Cultured by Zhane was born.
And the colors, your passion for the colors, is
Yes.
that the vibrancy of the Caribbean?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
As a true Caribbean woman, you know we love vibrant colors. We love to be bold, daring. We're sophisticated, and Cultured by Zhane encapsulates that. Like, we love to showcase our Afrocentric vibe. You know, our origin is from Africa, so I incorporate lots of African prints, and I like bright colors to go with it.
So you're 8 years into this line.
Yes.
What's it been like getting it off the ground and the journey up until now? Because we know, say, building a business ain't easy.
It is not easy at all. And when I started, it was really out of me just having a hobby. Out of school, I graduated from university, and I said, you know, I want a hobby. And I keep seeing my mother just sewing on the side. So I asked her, can you teach me how to sew, mommy? And she taught me, and then the rest is history.
Oh,
you know, just building my brand, and as a marketer, that was something I absolutely loved. Interacting with customers, getting feedback from customers as well, that's very important. So I know what works, what doesn't work.
So I see you wearing one of the pieces now. Best model to do so, I think.
Thank you.
Let's look at some of what you have to offer. Let's start with the neck pieces.
Yes.
That you have on. I'll lift them. You don't have to lift. You're wearing one.
Yes, I am.
It's lovely.
So
That's
this one
like
is a
the
Maya choker. Yes, yes. These pieces, these are neck pieces, and the standards usually come in 2, 3, and 4 strands. However, all of the pieces are customizable. So if you want 10 strands, you could get 10 strands. You could get 8 strands. It's totally up to
Come
you.
to you, say, Jenny, I want 10 strands.
Yep, you can get that.
Okay.
Yeah, say less. That's an armlet here, so you can wrap it around your arm. Yes.
Simone is such a terrible model.
That's okay. Yeah, see? And that one is actually versatile too. So some people may actually wear it as a choker, or some people even wear it as a headband.
Look at it. Look at me.
Yeah.
It's not bad, Jenny. It's not bad at all.
That's nice.
Okay, so this is what's on here.
Yes.
This is, you also plait them. This
Yes.
is so lovely.
So this piece in particular, that's the Rosa neck piece, and that was actually a part of the Freedom collection, and that was named after Rosa Parks.
Oh, so nice.
Yeah, I still like to incorporate history into everything
Very
so that
important.
people are more aware.
And what do we have over there?
So we have some chokers as well, but this neck piece here, I'm gonna show you. This is one long strand. It can be worn multiple ways.
You really figured this thing out, haven't you?
Yeah, I want to make sure that all of my customers are pleased. I know some are very modest and they don't want to step into that, step out of the box as much. So I also did some solid prints, solid colors for them as well. So this one, again, another versatile piece. So you can
put it on me.
Okay, sure.
Let me not crowd what you're wearing.
No problem. So this just loops right.
I'm coming back around there.
Right here, just like that.
Oh, and it's done?
Yeah.
This is how you wear it?
So that's one option.
Ah.
Then I can take off the loop.
Yes.
If you don't mind.
Mm-hmm. So you buy one piece and you
get multiple.
Yeah. Okay.
So it can tie. Tie a little knot there.
Oh, super cute.
If you want to, if you're wearing like a nice maxi dress and you just want.
Wear this like a pen.
Exactly. So many options.
Gotcha. I see what you're doing.
Yeah.
Show me the earrings.
Yeah. So these
cute.
earrings are a fashion statement in itself. So with these, you don't have to wear anything. You could just wear a t-shirt and shorts or jeans. Good to go.
So you know that's actually what I'm thinking looking at the line, right?
Yes.
You can either really dress these up.
Yes, or you can
all
tone
you
it
need
down.
is a white t-shirt and, as you said, a pair of jeans.
Yeah.
And you're good to go. One of these around your neck, a pair of sneakers, and boom.
Yep, and it's a different outfit altogether.
Yeah. Really, really nice.
Thank you.
Likewise, if you're wearing, because a lot of us now are loving the African prints and the styles. You can find something that matches that, or if it's just a long black dress or a long white dress, you can see the outfit unfolding right in front of your eyes.
Definitely.
I really love the line. It's very impressive work.
Thank you.
Where do the folks here find it if we want to get pieces from you?
Yes, so we have pieces in Locale on Holborn Road, so you can check there out. And I'm always at pop-up shops, so you can see me. You can stay tuned to the Instagram page and you'll see me at any pop-up shop.
And what's the Instagram page?
Cultured by Zhane.
Okay, there it is on your screen, everybody. Director of Cultured by Zhane. Her name is Zhane Padmore, and she's the owner and creative director of this brand. I wish you all the best with your business.
Thank you very much.
Okay, creative in every single sense of the word with us this morning. After the break, the new head coach of the Reggae Boys, Steve McLaren, and player Greg Lee stop by for a quick chat. Nefril, is that you? It's the both of us. Well, we both have that after this. Soon come.